How to keep QuickBooks Online in Classic View. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep your QuickBook Online into Classic View. Now this most recent update, QuickBooks permanently set the default into a modern type thing from QuickBooks Online. If you're switching it into Classic View and then log out, it will not be saved. So the only option to do that is by adding an extension. So first is open up web browser and then head straight into Chrome Web Store website right here. So all I have to do here is to type in classic reports. And then from here, this is going to be the extension that we will be using. Just head straight into this download option and then you have the CRX file right here. Click the CRX file and then you will be asked to input your email address for you to obtain the file. Now, once you've successfully downloaded it, if you scroll down from this website on the Chrome Web Store, you will be having an instruction on how you can add it into your QuickBooks Online. So run the Chrome extension helper. This is going to be the file on your PC. It will automatically uploads up into your browser. You just make sure that the developer mode is turned on, and then just simply click and drag the CRX file that you downloaded into your QuickBooks Online, and it will automatically be added into your QuickBooks Online tab. Now it's gonna be staying for classic view, and then it will be vice versa if you switch it to modern tab, then it will be back into classic view if you have the classic report turned on. And that's it. That's how you keep QuickBooks Online in classic view.